La famille royale sera effrayée à l'idée que le prince Harry puisse ouvrir ses conversations avec le duc Lord Entretien, a affirmé un auteur royal. Les membres du cabinet pourraient avoir peur de voir leur conversation avec Meghan Markle et le prince Harry entrer dans le domaine public, a affirmé le commentateur royal Ian Lloyd. L'auteur de la biographie récemment publiée The Queen, 70 Chapters in the Life of Elizabeth II a évoqué la possibilité de voir la relation fracturée entre le duc et la duchesse de Sussex et les membres du cabinet guéri. Bien qu'il pense qu'il serait particulièrement difficile pour le prince Harry de combler le fossé avec le prince William, M. Lloyd a déclaré que la relation pourrait être réparée si les deux parties s'y engageaient. Cependant, a ajouté l'auteur, les membres du cabinet pourraient se sentir éreintés à l'idée de voir leur conversation avec les Sussex discutée lors de futurs entretiens. Monsieur Lloyd a déclaré à express.co.uk, CIST une famille et la relation peut être réparée, mais je pense que cela nécessiterait un investissement à long terme des deux côtés et je pense que cela impliquerait que Harry passe du temps ici et fasse des choses sans donner d'interview. La famille royale va avoir peur que tout ce qu'ils disent émergera dans la prochaine série d'interviews, ce qui sera probablement lorsque ces mémoires sortiront. Last summer, Prince Harry announced through the website of the Sussex organisation, Archewell, he is penning an intimate memoir, set to cover his whole life in the public eye, from his childhood to fatherhood. Speaking about the possible content of the memoir, Mr. Lloyd claimed, and I am imagining that Charles and William won't come out well from it while Diana will be a saint, much like the Queen. The publishers will want negative stories on Charles. Blistering revelation or remarks made in the book on the Prince of Wales or other close family members could further widen the gap between the Sussex and their royal relative, Mr. Lloyd said. He claimed that will only widen the gap and at some point it will become very difficult to bridge it. Prince Harry and Meghan famously opened up on their struggles during their time a full-time working royals in a tell-all interview with Oprah Winfrey released in March 2021. Speaking with the journalist, they also spoke about their relationship with some senior members of the firm, with Prince Harry admitting there was some distance between himself, his father and his brother. A few days after the interview aired, US journalist and friend of the Sussex Gayle King disclosed during CBS This Morning she had been told by the couple that the Duke had held phone conversations with Prince Charles and Prince William. She said, the day was given was those conversations were not productive. But they are glad that they have at least started a conversation. At the time, royal biographer Penny Junor called this revelation a shocking breach of trust. In May last year, the Duke of Sussex provided more glimpses of his relationship with Prince Charles during an episode of the Armchair Expert podcast and the 5-episode mental health series co-created, The Me You Can't See. 1 year after the broadcast of the interview with Ms. Winfrey, Prince Harry sat down for another interview with a US journalist, Oda Kotibi. Speaking from The Hague, where he had travelled with Meghan to attend the Invictus Game, the Duke spoke about his recent reunion with the Queen at Windsor Castle. He shared and his grandmother share a very special bond and the monarch feels free to speak to him about topics she doesn't touch with others. Harry was then asked whether he misses the family, to which he said, yes. I think especially over the last 2 years, for most people, have they not missed their family? The ability to even get home and see them? Of course. That's, you know, that's a huge part of it. However, when asked if he was missing Prince Charles and Prince William, the Duke sidestepped the question. He said, "Look, I mean, for me at the moment, I am here focused on these guys and these families and giving everything that I can, 120% to them to make sure they have the experience of a lifetime. That's my focus here. And when I leave here, I get back and my focus is on my family we miss massively." Prince Harry and Meghan are to travel back to the UK together with their children within weeks, to take part in the celebration for the Platinum Jubilee. While they have been invited on the balcony of Buckingham Palace on June 2, when the Trooping the Colour parade will take place in central London, they have been tipped to attend other events open to non-working royals, including the service of Thanksgiving at St. Paul's Cathedral. While the Duke and Duchess privately met the Queen away, Prince Charles and Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall, during their stop at Windsor last month, event taking place during the extended June bank holiday will mark the first time Meghan and Harry are appearing next to other royals since their exit from the firm in March 2020.